guys! Welcome to my channel! Today I can open a Jenga! I got to play with my mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa. See you later. Bye! Today, me and Daddy gonna play Jenga! Comment down below kung sino mananalo. Ako or si Daddy. Okay, I'll go first.
Hi, let's start. Take your first move.
Okay.
Galingan mo ah. Kailangan manalo ka.
Or else, if you lose, yes! So!
Okay, may move. This one is maganda. Oh, I think this one.
That's too hard!
Okay, just ito na lang.
No!
Okay, it's your turn.
Hey, you're cheating!
Go.
Are you cheating?
No?
Oh. You lose this one, Manny. Ha!
Ang galing.
Wow! Wow! Guys, I'm gonna win this one. Whoa!
Tignan natin kung sino mananalo sa game na to. Oh, okay, Kelly's turn.
You're getting me angry, boy! Oh my gosh, I cannot see any print. Open.
Ang galing ah.
Wow, my hand's giggling.
It's my turn. Okay, dito tayo.
No, that's not. Ooh, I lost that.
Yeah.
You're
Oh,
hindi
it's your
dito.
turn. Ikaw na.
Why are you building a castle?
Ay, nilagay mo sa gilid eh. O, dali na, ikaw na.
Let's say tree. Tree.
Tingnan natin kung sino ang natatap. Ayun na, nahangin na siya.
Ay, this is hard.
Ayun na.
Oh, wait. Where are I gonna get this?
Ayan, sa gitna po siya kumuha.
Oh!
Gumagalaw na. Slowly. Tingnan natin guys kung sino mananalo ha. Ano, kinakabahan na si Kelly. Ayun na. O, lagay mo na. Okay, it's my turn. Naku, nang hirap. Dito tayo sa baba para pag next move ni Kelly, tutumba na siya. Ayan na. Next move natin dito.
Wala na kong place.
Ah, ikaw naman.
Oh my God.
So, let's go.
Nakakabahan ako, guys. Ito kasi binawasan.
Let's go.
Ay, ito nararamdaman ko na.
Tinanggal na niya. Isa na lang natira sa baba. Ayusin natin, guys. Yan. Okay, it's my turn. Tingnan natin kung matutulak. Uy!
Dito ka kumuha, men. Baka, matupa.
Ayun na, gumagalaw-galaw na.
Baka ba?
Ingat tayo dyan. Okay, Kelly's turn na.
Okay, I'll try this.
Ayun na.
Ikaw, Ginugulo mo.
Ayun na, kinakabahan na si Kelly. Let's go. Ayan na.
Ha? You don't see that? Oh?
Kumuha na naman siya sa gitna. Ayan na. One hand lang.
No! Kasi natatanggal eh.
Ay, ayaw ayusin.
Stop that!
Okay, it's my turn. Kunin natin tong Yan, para next move ni Kelly, tutumba na yun.
Ah!
Mahangin.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Kelly's turn na po. Ayan na.
Naninilig na yung hands ko.
Ayan na, konting galaw na lang. Sino kaya mananalo? Let's see.
Wala na. Wala na manitilas. Sige, wait. Tatake lang ako.
Ayan, ang tagal mo ni Kelly yung tumira.
Ay! Nilagdan ako.
Ayan, nakakita siya ng isa. Tingnan natin kung tutumba.
Here.
Ay, yan na, binagsak niya. Saan kaya tayo? Gumagalaw na mga kapuso.
I love that.
Dito tayo sa
Hindi
baba.
kaya, hindi kaya.
Ayan na. Ay, sumasama. Tingnan natin. Yo, may space pa.
Ayan.
Okay, Kelly's turn.
Oh my
Ayan na,
God.
gumagalaw na.
Ran, ran, fast as you can. You cannot catch a gingerbread man.
Dali, dali.
You cannot catch me.
I'm the winner. Kelly's the winner.
Hey, you gonna... No!
Oh.
You gonna be like again.
No.
Like a domino.
Okay, next video natin, maglalaro naman tayo ng Crocodile Dentist. At abangan niyo yan. Okay guys, bye! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.